Welcome to this tutorial on how to find the answers to a Google form. Google Forms is a powerful tool used to collect data and feedback from people. And it is essential to know how to access and analyze the responses. To start, open your Google Forms account and navigate to the form for which you want to find the answers. Click on the Responses tab. If you have not yet collected any responses, this tab will be empty. Once you have collected responses, you can view them in the Responses tab. Here, you can see each individual response, and you can also view a summary of all responses. To view a summary, click on the Summary tab. The Summary tab provides a graphical representation of the responses, making it easy to analyze the data. You can view the number of responses for each question, and you can also view the most common responses. To download the responses, click on the Get Responses link. This will allow you to download the responses as a CSV file, which can be opened in a spreadsheet program like Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. In Google Sheets, you can analyze the data further by using formulas and charts. You can also use Google Sheets to create custom reports and summaries of the data. Best practices for finding answers to a Google form include regularly checking the Responses tab for new responses, using the Summary tab to analyze the data, and downloading the responses as a CSV file for further analysis. By following these steps, you can easily find the answers to a Google form and analyze the data to gain valuable insights. Remember to always keep your Google Forms account organized, and use the various features of Google Forms to make the most of the data you collect. In conclusion, finding answers to a Google form is a straightforward process that involves navigating to the Responses tab, viewing the summary of responses, and downloading the responses as a CSV file. By following these steps and using best practices, you can make the most of the data you collect and gain valuable insights from your Google Forms.